If you're interested in making money online or growing your YouTube channel, this video is for you. Hi and welcome. I'm George Pearson. I want to thank you for watching. This video is about my pick of the week. And my pick of the week is called CB Trends. CB Trends, CB stands for ClickBank. And what that site does is shows you what is trending at ClickBank. I think it's a valuable site for affiliate marketers especially. So let's get right to it. My pick of the week is CB Trends. And CB Trends, what it's going to help you do is find out where the items are, the products on ClickBank. CB stands for ClickBank. So it's going to help you with what products are trending on ClickBank. And the products that are trending are the ones that are selling. So that's where the buyers are at. That's where the money is at, and that's where you want to be. Now, it can help you with the top 10 or the top 100. It'll list them by gravity or by popularity. It will also help you to zero in on particular niches. So if there's a particular niche in this, what you're going to find here is sort of a quick walkthrough. It's pretty simple to use CB Trends once you know how, but if you don't know how, it may be a little bit difficult. So this will help you to it'll give you a quick walkthrough so that you can find out how to get the top 100, how to get to a particular niche, how you can find out what's selling in your particular niche, or similar niches or related niches. So why CB Trends is so important to you? When you focus on products that are trending, you are literally closer to the money. And the closer you get to the money, the better chance you have of making the money. That's my pick of the week. CB Trends is a remarkable tool. I think it's something that every affiliate marketer should be using because it helps you to get what I call closer to the money. If this video is something that has been of help to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button, ring the bell, and that way you won't miss out on our videos. Each week I try to have a pick of the week where I share an exceptional product that's going to help you with internet marketing. I also usually have a free giveaway and other videos as well. So I hope you'll go ahead and subscribe. Also, if you enjoy the video, give us a like. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your watching, and I want to wish you much success.